Heating cables offer solutions for gutter de-icing, snow melting, and pipe freeze protection. Correct installation is crucial for performance, safety, and longevity. These are some non-biased installation guidelines. Firstly, follow the manufacturer's specifications and local electrical codes. This ensures compliance and optimal performance for the specific cable being used. Secondly, only use cables designed for the intended application. Using the wrong cable can lead to inefficiency or even hazards. Thirdly, consult with an experienced electrician for complex installations. Professional guidance can prevent costly mistakes. Fourthly, ensure sufficient electrical supply and circuit protection. Overloading circuits can be dangerous and damage the system. Fifthly, ground cables properly. Grounding prevents electrical shocks and ensures safety. Sixthly, test cables for continuity and resistance before and after installation. This verifies the cable's integrity and proper functioning. When installing gutter de-icing cables, firstly, install cables inside gutters, ensuring they are in direct contact with the gutter surface. Direct contact maximizes heat transfer. Secondly, use attachment clips or adhesive to secure cables every 18 to 24 inches. This prevents sagging and ensures even distribution. Thirdly, overlap cables by at least 6 inches at connections. Overlapping provides a secure and waterproof connection. For snow melting cable installations, firstly, install cables under concrete slabs, asphalt driveways, or pavers. This placement allows for efficient snow melting. Secondly, embed cables in a layer of mortar or thin-set adhesive. Embedding protects the cables from damage. Thirdly, use spacing recommended by the manufacturer to ensure uniform heat distribution. Proper spacing ensures even melting. When installing heating cables on pipes, firstly, wrap cables around pipes with a minimum of 2 layers. 2 layers provide sufficient heat for freeze protection. Secondly, secure cables with high-temperature tape or clamps. Securing prevents the cable from shifting. Thirdly, insulate pipes to minimize heat loss. Insulation improves efficiency and reduces energy consumption. Failing to follow these guidelines can lead to several inherent problems. One is overheating. Insufficient spacing or poor insulation can lead to cable overheating and potential fire hazards. Proper spacing and insulation are crucial for safety. 2 is electrical shorts. Improper grounding or cable damage can result in electrical shorts. Proper grounding and careful handling are essential. 3 is ineffective heat distribution. Incorrect spacing or placement of cables can lead to uneven heat distribution and poor de-icing or snow melting performance. Following manufacturer's recommendations for spacing and placement is important. 4 is reduced cable lifespan. Improper installation can shorten the lifespan of heating cables, leading to premature failure. Correct installation is an investment in the system's longevity. 5 is system damage. Overheating or electrical shorts can damage gutters, driveways, or piping. Preventing these problems protects your property. There are consequences of not following guidelines. One consequence is safety hazards. Fire risks or electrical shocks can occur due to overheating or shorts. Safety is paramount. 2 consequence is inefficient operation. Poor heat distribution leads to incomplete de-icing or snow melting. Inefficiency wastes energy and money. 3 consequence is increased costs. Premature cable failure or system damage requires repairs or replacements. Proper installation saves money in the long run. A final consequence is warranty forfeiture. Improper installation may void the manufacturer's warranty, leaving the user responsible for repair costs. Following guidelines protects your investment. Remember to always consult with a qualified electrician for any questions or concerns regarding the installation of heating cables.